A very, very happy new year to each and every one of you. 2021, it's going to be a rocking year, especially after this 2020, which has been memorable because of many obvious reasons. Therefore, everyone is so hopeful and they are full of optimism that this new year, which is starting today, will bring a lot of success and happiness in everyone's life. So, what does 2021 has in store for us? It's a very, very unique year because every single digit of this year donates something very important. You want to know how? Two. Two things which you should take out from your life. One is stop comparing yourself to others. And second, stop thinking negatively. What will happen because of this? You will have zero worries in life. Another two things that can help you achieve success. One is to have a clear goal for yourself, and second is keep walking with faith and optimism. What will happen because of that? You will be able to achieve the one goal that you have set for yourself. So that becomes 2021. With that, I wish you all the very best for this new year. Set your goals, start the journey today, and even if there are few days when you cannot take any step towards your goals, don't stop. Start again and achieve your goals within this year. Please follow me and subscribe to my channel if you really want to listen to more such of motivational and happiness stories. I'll be there to guide you. This is Rajat Khatri, a certified happiness coach, founder of Happy Life Architecture, and an Amazon bestseller author. See you. Bye bye. And once again, Happy New Year.